guys, I'm going to use Nivea soap, but you can use any soap. Now we're going to pin all the way around here, okay? I'm going to put the pin right here, see? Really close to the other one. All the way around the soap. I put the little ribbon here. Look, on this pin here, more or less in the middle, see? Then I come down here, wrap it around the pin, and come over to this side. I go into this empty space here, see? Wrap it around, and come over to this side. Same thing. Look, I go into this empty space here and wrap it around. And I bring it around to the back here. I go into the empty space, wrap it around, and it keeps turning. Look. Look, empty space. I wrap it around to secure the ribbon. Bring it here, and then here. Empty space, go in, wrap the ribbon around, and go again. Let's do this until we get to the edge. Look, guys, I wrapped it around up to here, see? These ones in the middle, we don't even need to do them anymore because it's already closed. So now, what do? I'm going to wrap it around here. Look, like this. Let's keep wrapping it around like this, just until we get here and I do the same thing again. I've gotten to this point. Now the same thing, see? I go into the empty space here and wrap it around. Come from this side, go into the empty space, wrap it around, and go again until I reach the end. The same thing on this side. Look, I didn't even wrap it around these little pins here in the middle. Now we do the same thing, see? Just keep wrapping it around here, see? I'm going to wrap it around until it meets up here in the middle, see? With that loop that's already here. And I wrapped it around until here in the middle. Then I'm going to thread this little ribbon through here like this. I'm going to decorate here. Look, the front of the soap. So I'm going to finish it off here. I'm going to cut here. Then we'll secure it properly here with glue when it's time to decorate. I folded the tip of the ribbon. I'm going to put it right here on the edge, because with this ribbon we're going to make the little loop to hang it in the closet, right? And it's going to make these cute little loops here. See? Let's decorate here. Look. See? Keep making little loops all the way around, okay? Look. Hey, it's that simple. I'm just going to go around once, but if you want, you can go more than once, okay? It's a matter of personal taste. I know you all change things, do it differently, make it prettier. Each artisan has their own way, right? Look. I went all the way around here. Then that pin we put here to start, take it out. Stick it in here, look. Press it here and then, look. We're going to make a little loop here so you can hang it in your closet, wherever you want. See? About this size here, okay? That's good, right? Like this, see? About the same size, same direction. Let's put a little pin here. See? Let's push all these little pins down, see? Now it's going to look cute, huh? I made a little bow with a fork. I show you how to make it here on the channel, guys. And let's glue it right there on the little loop to finish it off. I'm going to finish it off with this little bow, but you can finish it however you like. Use your creativity, okay? Guys, I'm going to decorate with these 2 little ribbon flowers here. Look, there's a video here on the channel, okay? It's really easy to make, but like I always say, right? You can decorate it however you want. And then you have to cover this up, right? It can't look messy at all. Guys, look what a nice little gift we can give to people. Look how thoughtful it is. Look how cute this is to give as a gift to people. Or you can sell them too. Look, I'm sure, you know? It's going to sell, okay? Look how beautiful it is. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.